Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's transforming the way creators earn money on YouTube: making money using AI. If you've ever wondered how artificial intelligence can supercharge your content creation and boost your monetization efforts, you're in the right place. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that can enhance your video production process in numerous ways. From generating engaging scripts to optimizing your video titles and descriptions for better search visibility, AI can help you create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Imagine having a virtual assistant that analyzes trends, suggests topics, and even helps edit your videos. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, we'll explore innovative strategies that leverage AI to not only streamline your workflow but also maximize your earning potential. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, understanding how to harness AI can open up new avenues for income generation. So, if you're ready to discover how to elevate your YouTube game and explore the future of content creation, stick around. We have some fantastic insights and tips lined up that you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Understanding YouTube monetization. To successfully earn money on YouTube, it's essential to understand the basics of monetization and the eligibility requirements. At the heart of this process is the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, which allows creators to monetize their content through ads, channel memberships, and more. To join the program, you need to meet specific criteria: at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. These thresholds are crucial, as they ensure that only dedicated creators can access monetization features. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for the YPP and start earning revenue from your videos. But how can you reach those milestones more effectively? This is where AI tools come into play. By utilizing AI-driven analytics, you can gain insights into viewer behavior, identify trending topics, and optimize your content for better engagement. AI can also assist in crafting compelling titles and thumbnails, which are vital for attracting clicks and retaining viewers. With the right strategies and tools, you can not only meet the eligibility requirements but also enhance your overall content quality, making it more appealing to both viewers and advertisers. So, let's explore how you can leverage these insights to boost your YouTube monetization journey. Leveraging AI for content creation. In the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube, leveraging AI for content creation can significantly enhance your video production process. One of the standout tools in this realm is ChatGPT, which can assist you in generating engaging scripts and brainstorming fresh ideas. Whether you're looking for catchy introductions or in-depth discussions on trending topics, AI can help streamline your creative process, allowing you to focus more on delivering value to your audience. But it doesn't stop there. AI video editing software has revolutionized the way creators enhance their production quality. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro's AI features or Magisto can automate tedious editing tasks, such as color correction and sound balancing, making it easier to produce polished videos that captivate viewers. This means you can spend less time on technical details and more time on crafting compelling narratives. Moreover, AI plays a crucial role in creating personalized content tailored to your audience's preferences. By analyzing viewer data, AI can help you understand what resonates with your audience, enabling you to craft videos that speak directly to their interests. This level of personalization not only boosts engagement but also fosters a loyal community around your channel. So, let's dive deeper into how these AI tools can transform your content creation journey. Optimizing SEO with AI. In the competitive world of YouTube, understanding the importance of SEO is crucial for gaining visibility and attracting viewers. Search engine optimization, or SEO, helps your videos rank higher in search results, making it easier for potential subscribers to discover your content. This is where AI comes into play, offering powerful tools to enhance your SEO strategy. AI can analyze keywords and trends, providing insights into what topics are currently popular and what phrases viewers are searching for. By leveraging this data, you can create content that aligns with audience interests, increasing your chances of being found. Additionally, AI-driven tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ can help optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags, ensuring they are not only relevant but also compelling enough to encourage clicks. Moreover, AI excels at predicting viewer preferences and engagement patterns. By analyzing past performance data, AI can suggest the best times to post, the ideal video length, and even the types of thumbnails that attract more clicks. This predictive capability allows you to tailor your content strategy effectively, maximizing viewer retention and interaction. Incorporating AI into your SEO efforts can significantly enhance your channel's visibility and growth potential. So, let's explore how to implement these strategies for a successful YouTube journey. Engaging with your audience using AI. Building a strong connection with your audience is essential for long-term success on YouTube, and AI offers innovative strategies to enhance this engagement. One effective approach is utilizing AI chatbots for real-time interaction with viewers. These chatbots can answer questions, provide information, and even engage in conversations during live streams or in the comments section, ensuring that your audience feels heard and valued. In addition to chatbots, AI analytics tools play a crucial role in understanding audience behavior. By analyzing viewer data, these tools can reveal insights into what content resonates most, how long viewers stay engaged, and which demographics are most active on your channel. This information allows you to tailor your content to better meet the needs and preferences of your audience, fostering a more engaged community. Furthermore, AI can be instrumental in providing personalized content recommendations. By analyzing individual viewer habits and preferences, AI algorithms can suggest videos that align with their interests, encouraging them to explore more of your content. This not only increases watch time but also enhances viewer satisfaction, as they receive tailored suggestions that keep them coming back for more. By leveraging these AI strategies, you can create a more interactive and personalized experience for your audience, ultimately leading to stronger engagement and growth for your YouTube channel. Monetization strategies beyond ads. While ad revenue is a popular way to earn money on YouTube, there are several alternative monetization strategies that can be enhanced using AI. One effective method is affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. AI can help identify profitable partnerships by analyzing trends and audience preferences, ensuring that you align with brands that resonate with your viewers. This targeted approach can lead to higher conversion rates and increased earnings. Another exciting avenue is merchandise creation. With AI design tools, you can easily create custom merchandise that reflects your brand and appeals to your audience. These tools can generate unique designs based on current trends or even analyze your channel's aesthetic to suggest products that your viewers are likely to love. This not only diversifies your income streams but also strengthens your brand identity. Additionally, crowdfunding and membership platforms are gaining traction among creators. AI can facilitate these efforts by analyzing viewer engagement and preferences, helping you tailor your offerings to meet audience demands. Whether it's exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, or personalized interactions, AI can help you create compelling membership tiers that encourage viewers to support your channel financially. By exploring these alternative monetization strategies, you can build a more sustainable income model beyond traditional ad revenue. As we wrap up this video, let's take a moment to summarize the key points we've discussed about leveraging AI for YouTube success. We explored how AI can enhance content creation, from generating engaging scripts with tools like ChatGPT to optimizing video production with advanced editing software. We also highlighted the importance of SEO and how AI can analyze keywords and trends to improve your visibility on the platform. Additionally, we delved into audience engagement strategies, including the use of AI chatbots for real-time interaction and analytics tools to better understand viewer behavior. We also discussed alternative monetization strategies beyond ads, such as affiliate marketing, merchandise creation, and crowdfunding, all facilitated by AI insights. Now is the time to implement these strategies and take your YouTube channel to the next level. By embracing AI, you can streamline your processes, enhance viewer engagement, and diversify your income streams. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow creators who could benefit from these insights. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content that empowers you on your YouTube journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.